Everybody. Today this video is going to show you how to create your ABACA form composition and stack a minimum of 3 tracks per section. Okay, so similar to our ABA form, you're going to have each section is going to be 8 measures, so the 8 bars. Remember, that's the end of the 8th bar. Okay, so you're going to be having an A section, a B section, and a C section, and then you're going to be copying and pasting the A in between. All right. Now the new part today is where we are stacking 3 sounds at the same time. So I'm going to start by making my A section, my first section. Okay, so I'm going to go into my loop library, and usually when we create full songs, we usually start with one sound and then you build on that. So if you want to start with your melody or if you want to start with your drums, all right, I'm going to start with my drums, and I think maybe we'll do a jazz one today. Okay, so I'm going to start with my drums here. So I'm going to drag this guy over. Okay, and it's loading slowly. Oh boy, I picked a bad one, I guess. Oh, because it's premium. Cancel. Okay. Oh, that worked. All right. So turn off my loop. All right. So I need to. So this is 8 bars. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Okay. So I have my drums. That's 8 bars. Okay. So that's the first part of my A section. All right. Now I'm gonna add a new track. So I'm gonna close that. Now I'm gonna put my bass guitar on. I'm gonna stick with my jazz. All right. And let's see. Yeah, that works. So now we're going to put our bass. So I'm stacking my 3 sounds on top of each other. So I have my drums and my bass. And now let's do a little guitar. Actually, let's do piano. That'll be fun. We'll do jazz. And that works. Okay. So now I have 3 tracks on top of each other, right? I've got so this is my whole A section. I've got drums, bass, and piano all happening at the same time. Okay, so whole thing is my A section. Now you need to create a B section and a C section as well. Okay, so we're gonna go through and I'm gonna do my drums, and maybe we'll do a rock one for my B section. These are taking a long time. There it goes. Alright, so I'm going to make my B section here. So it's loading the drums, and then you just need to check to make sure this is also 8 bars. Sorry, I don't know why this is going so slow. I probably have too many things open. Close some tabs here while we're doing this. Okay, so this goes from 9 to the end of 16, so that's another 8 bars. Okay, so now let's put in bass guitar, stick with my rock here, and I'm not going to listen to them right now, but when you guys are doing it, I really want you to take a little bit of time and pick sounds that you really like to explore what's available to you is really the point of this. Okay, so I got my 3 sounds, right? My drums, bass, and I did guitar this time instead of piano for my B section to change it up a little. So this is my A section, these 3 sounds here, and then I have my B section. Now, you have to do A, B, A, C, A. So I'm going to close my loop library here, and then I'm going to click on this first one. I'm holding down the Shift key, Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, so I'm going to click on this first one. I do edit, copy, and then move the measure up here, and then click here so that it moves there. That's where I want my A section to go, and paste. Okay, oh, it actually did everything. Cool. So I did A section, B section. Now I repeated my A section. Now it's A, B, A, C, A form. So now I need to do a C section. So a whole third section, right? So, back to my drums. Um, let's do a little pop. Do some pop drums. Alright, forget that. Try these. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna drag it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. Good. Good with that. Okay, and then I need my bass. Then do some pop here. Do one of these ones. We'll do a little buzz 4. And then, oh, that's my air conditioner. Okay, so then I'm gonna do, I'll do a little, well, no, let's do piano again, because I did piano before. And pop, piano, and let's do flashy. Okay, so this is my C section now, right? I got A, B, A, because A's are the same. Now C is different, and then I have to end with our A section again. Now I already copied these, right? So I have them copied. I click here and go edit, paste. Oh, okay, I have to, sorry. Click here, edit, copy. Now click here again, edit, paste. Okay. So now when you look at this, it goes A, B, A, C, A, right? So that's everything you need to have. Each one's 8 bars long, all right? And when we listen to the whole thing, you can hear the changes. Oh, I gotta start at the beginning. Hold on. Like that. Now. Oh. Okay, so here, notice how I only heard the bass. So what's going on over here is this has a solo thing on it, these headphones. So if I click on that, now it unchecked that, okay? And now I have to unclick all these because the solos let you only hear that, okay? So if you have this one, remember it mutes the track. If you have the solo, it mutes everything else except the ones with the headphones. So now let's try it again. You'll be able to hear everything. Okay, and you get the idea. So you can hear there was some scratchiness and some hang-ups there. That's just it's struggling a little because I have so many sounds going on and I have a lot of tabs open. So make sure whenever you're in this class, you always close all the other tabs and windows. If you have Google Classroom, well, not Google Classroom, but like Google Apps open, if you're working on like a project in another class, make sure you close all that stuff. Or this software is going to have trouble running on our network if you have too many things trying to suck internet at the same time. All right. And you could hear that some of my sounds didn't really go quite together with each other within the sections. I didn't spend any time really listening to them to make sure they fit. So just make sure you do that. And when you're done, don't forget to hit save. And then you click on file. And then when under file, it has that turn in button, right? But make sure you save first, okay? And that's it. All right, have fun.